In a setting where accountability and convenience is critical, the Parks Reserve Forces Training Area, PRFTA, a U.S. Army Reserve, used to spend countless hours in an effort to keep track of their equipment, tools, and inventory items. After an online search and a quick one-on-one demo, it was our user-friendly and highly configurable inventory and asset tracking software that proved to be the perfect solution for the facility. At ASAP Systems, we pride ourselves on our fully configurable features. Whatever your needs are, we have the solution for you. Here are some of the features that PRFTA use to their advantage. XL Import feature allows IT administrators to quickly move inventory items from the old database to the new one. Our reporting feature assists managers to see the information that matters the most. For example, what assets need maintenance? Or how much inventory do you have of a certain item? The Field Control feature helps in configuring each data field based on the daily inventory needs. And of course, the mobile barcode scanners allow for real-time and accurate record keeping, so the U.S. Army personnel can scan items on the go. Regardless of your industry, military, education, or IT, the right inventory and asset tracking software is a game changer for your organization. Just ask PRFTA. When you're ready to save time and money and get to tracking your inventory and assets, visit us at www.asapsystems.com and schedule your one-on-one demonstration today.